I told you every single time, don't you worry. You would always call me at the wrong time, so you can know what I was up to.
Hi there, thank you so much for watching. Welcome to the last clean with me in my apartment. Quentin and I moved everything in after filming this video, and we've officially been in our home for a full month. We have so much to do in this video, so grab your coffee and let's get started. I'm starting off by packing every single thing in my closet. My closet was so packed full, so I just wanted to tackle the hardest things first. I was able to fit everything into 3 large boxes from Home Depot and kept everything folded and on hangers, which made unpacking so easy. I think I unpacked my closet in about 30 minutes, which is amazing considering I hate unpacking anything. Are you the same way?
It's crazy how we started off so good. Every single hour with you vanished just like that. But now it feels like I've been trapped, and I can't believe how you don't see it now. Hey, just hear me out. It's been a while since we were good. So why we dragging out when we've been doing everything we could? I don't wanna feel so lonely tonight. Every time we spend time, I wanna do this for the last time. I don't need it, no, I don't need it, no. Don't need you here to feel alright.
Alright, that's all I did that first day. So on the next day, I focused on the kitchen. I packed a few items here and there, which you'll see in this video, and Quentin took them over to the house each day. Since we closed a few weeks before we moved in, it made moving less stressful since the majority of the boxes were already at the new house. All we needed to move was the furniture, and I wrapped each item with gift paper and then stacked them with a small sheet of bubble wrap in between. I then used packing film to keep the stacks nice and tight so they don't move in the box.
The way you comfort me, still it's not enough. It's not enough. Feel so lonely tonight, but you only make it worse whenever you're around. 'Cause I don't need it, no, I don't need it, no. Don't need you here to feel alright. You say you're tired, you don't wanna fight, but I've been wondering if everything's alright. You say you love me, and that's all fine.
I know in the last few Clean With Me's, I mentioned how excited I was for a larger pantry and cabinet space, and I was not lying, girl. I unpacked the kitchen as soon as we moved in, and it just feels like home. I organized as much as I can, but I'm going to film another kitchen organization video as soon as possible, so subscribe if you're interested and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss it. Also, there's so much to do in this house, and I've been filming kind of like daily vlogs of any kind of renovations we're doing and upgrades. So definitely subscribe as well so you don't miss that video. And if you have any like home related videos, like video requests, leave them down in the comments down below so I can add that to my list.
But so much better if I knew we're killing time. We're killing time. Do you think I'm fragile? Can't take a blow. Then let me tell ya, got better things on hold. And in conclusion, if it ain't to be, don't spend a minute worrying about me. I'll be pleased.
right, it's the next day and I'm working on deep cleaning the bathroom. The bathroom wasn't that dirty because I keep it clean most often, but I wanted to make sure everything was super clean for the move out inspection. I pre-soaked all surfaces with scrubbing bubbles, shower cleaner, and now I'm using Pine Sol to remove any leftover soap scum. Lightly cleaning your shower each week helps to keep it clean longer so you don't have to do deep cleaning that often. I still will deep clean even if I do clean each week just because I'm a freak like that, but just cleaning your bathroom each week will just help cut down on how long you're having to deep clean. One thing I miss is this super large soaking tub. We don't have one in the owner's bathroom and I'm already missing soaking in the tub with a really nice bath bomb. I love our new shower, but a tub would definitely be chef's kiss.
Hit you up, I'm on the other side. I miss you. Take you off, I came in way too strong. Cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof. Bottle your taste. It's really a bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines.
Alright, now I'm unpacking all of the drawers and cabinets and giving them a thorough wipe down with Pine Sol and a microfiber cloth. Around the faucet, I like to use a bit of baking soda and Pine Sol to clean any grime and honestly gets that area super clean and free from dirt. If you don't have microfiber cloths, they are so affordable on Amazon and I love to use them for cleaning. I don't like to use paper towels when cleaning because I feel like that's so wasteful, and the microfiber towels, you can just pop them in the washer and clean them and keep on using them. I feel like they also pick up dirt a lot easier and I'm able to scrub a little bit harder than I would with a paper towel.
Telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold. It's really a bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, yeah, I lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you, I've lost you. I keep on looking for you.
Everybody's been
Okay, we are finally on the last day in the apartment. It's bittersweet, and I'm packing the last of the plates and the cups we've been using over the past week that were in the dishwasher, and I'm packing the same way as earlier with the bubble wrap and packing film. Our new house is about 30 minutes away from the apartment, so we didn't have any damage to any of our items. However, if you're moving a little bit further away or you're going to put all of these items on a moving truck or with movers, you might want to use the cardboard inserts to keep everything from breaking. We did that during our first move, and we as well didn't have any broken plates or cups, so just do what feels right to you. But since we weren't moving that far away, we just were like, let's just all throw it into a box.
lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never truth is hard to see. But now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me.
All right, that is it for my apartment pack and clean with me. I have loved every single minute in this apartment, but I am so excited to share with you what we've been getting up to in our new home. I definitely want to make this house more of a home over the next couple of years, so I hope you guys will enjoy this journey as well. If you have made it this far, please like and subscribe if you haven't. It helps me out so much, and I'll see you next week in my new video. Bye!
Lucky, lucky, lucky me.